Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be creating a backdrop for puja. So I'll be creating a backdrop in white color. You can use this decoration for Ganpati puja, Janmashtami or any other kind of puja. Okay, so first to create a white backdrop we are here using some warm lights. You can even use LED or circuit. Then we are using a white net curtain for the backdrop. For the tabletop here I'm using a baby pink color cloth. Now for some greenery I'll be using artificial money plants on the either sides. Here for the background I'm using white mogra garlands plus I'm using rose garlands with mogra. You can see how beautiful this is looking. Now to fix a long garland I am first digging a nail on the either sides with a hammer. We'll just attach this garland with the nail as you can see in the video. Then we'll be using a bed table. We'll be covering this with a golden color cloth and then further we'll be keeping a golden color chowki on that. Keep petal diyas on the either sides and here a white backdrop for Navratri day 5 or any other kind of puja, for example Ganesh Chaturthi or Janmashtami is ready. I hope you like the video. If you have any queries regarding the video, do mention them in the comment section.